Dow Jones futures are flashing warning signals again. As global investors brace for the next move in the US markets, one question dominates: are we heading for a rebound or a major correction? Why futures matter. Dow Jones futures give investors a real-time preview of where the market might open, hours before Wall Street rings the bell. These contracts are traded 24/7, connecting markets in the US, Europe, and Asia. When futures move, it's not just America watching, the entire world reacts. What's driving Dow futures now? So, what's behind the latest swings in Dow Jones futures? Let's break down the three big drivers moving both US and European markets right now. 1. The Federal Reserve and inflation data. With the Fed walking a tightrope between fighting inflation and keeping growth alive, investors are hanging on every word from Jerome Powell. Futures react instantly when new CPI or jobs data hints at rate changes. 2. Earnings season. This week, tech and industrial giants from the Dow's lineup, like Apple, Boeing, and Caterpillar, report results. A single surprise can swing futures by hundreds of points. 3. Global tensions and energy prices. From the Middle East to rising oil prices in Europe, global risk is back on the table, and futures traders are quick to price in uncertainty. Europe's role and global impact. For European investors, Dow futures are more than just a US signal, they're a mirror of global confidence. When Dow futures fall sharply overnight, it often drags European indices like the FTSE 100, DAX, and CAC 40 lower before their own markets even open. Key levels and what to watch. Here are the levels and indicators investors are watching this week. A Dow futures resistance at 39,000 and support near 38,200. The 10-year Treasury yield holding around 4.3%. A European inflation readings later this week. And energy prices, which remain volatile due to Middle East tensions. If futures hold above key support, momentum could swing bullish. But a break lower might confirm fears of a broader pullback. The takeaway. Dow Jones futures are your first signal of global market sentiment, from Wall Street to Frankfurt. Smart investors don't just react at the open, they watch the futures overnight. Call to action. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for daily global market updates, and please do comment below. Where do you see the Dow heading next, 40,000 or 37,000? Let's talk about it.